Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the French flag. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our French flag, let's begin with the pole. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that comes down, and you can see I'm doing this at an angle. Next, I'm going to make a little line across, and then another little line across down here. Now we want to make a second line for the pole. So let's begin right here, and we're going to make another line that just comes down right at that angle. Now starting here, let's make a little circle at the top of our flagpole. Now let's make the actual flag. So I'm going to start here. Let's start by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come back up like this. Then down here, let's make another one. We'll do the same thing. We'll go up, then we'll come down, and then we're going to go back up. Next, starting here, let's make a line that's going to come right down to here. Now, let's make a couple lines. I'm going to start by making a line here, and then I'm going to make another line right down here. Now, I want to put a little face inside of here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle right here for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to color in a black dot in each one. Then right here, I'm going to make a line across. Then a line that's going to go down and up. I'll make a little sad face here. And then I'm just going to color this in. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little French flag. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.